Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I've seen in the comments in the past that a lot of you are looking for non-phone based jobs. You don't really want to be on the phone all day doing regular customer service. So, of course, that's what I have today. I have 5 different jobs. All of them are non-phone based. Some of them are customer service based, but they're customer service in the fact of like answering emails or social media messages and comments. We even have a job that's paying $1,000 sign-on bonus. We have data entry. We even have a non-phone customer service job from well-known Northern Tool Company. But of course, I always welcome you if you're looking for something specific. I can never make any promises, but feel free to leave that in the comments because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And of course, as always, if you need links to get to any of the pages I'm sharing, put those applications in, read reviews on the companies or timestamps for the video. All of that can be found in the YouTube description box that's generally located below the video. But I do want to start off with the company Optum. Optum is a part of UnitedHealth Group, otherwise known as kind of like UnitedHealth Care. They have many different subsidies in them, and together they make up UnitedHealth Group. Optum has 15,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a billing representative. Now, this is nationwide remote for the United States. I do want to go ahead and the reason I put this first is to mention UnitedHealth Group and Optum's jobs do not stay up long. They generally only accept applications sometimes for 24 to 48 hours or so, I've seen. So if you're interested in this position, pause this video, go get that application in, and then come back to the rest of them. I also wanted to share this, even though sometimes they don't leave their job postings up very long. They are one of the companies that's known for not only providing you all the computer equipment you need to do the job, but also providing you internet access. So all you need is your knowledge and experience. So working for them is great for people who don't have a home office setup but want to work from home. Now, they do state that this is a full-time position Monday through Friday, and they operate between the hours of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that gives you a 12-hour window to work with, and that you have the flexibility to work any 8-hour shift during that 12-hour window. So you can start early at 7 a.m. and kind of be done by like 2, 3 in the afternoon. Or if you're a late riser and you don't want to get up so early, you can probably start at like 9, 10 in the morning and work those later hours. They are going to give you on-the-job training, but they are looking for somebody to basically review their open AR. These are healthcare claims that are coming into them, and develop those relationships with the payers, obtaining remits and resolving root causes. Now, a lot of the remits are done online these days, but you are basically reviewing and documenting all the key accounts, looking for any trends to escalate up to your supervisor or manager. So you're kind of reviewing all the data, identifying and documenting bad write-offs or bad AR adjustments, identifying any overpayments or duplicate payments with investigation and resolution. So if Optum or UnitedHealthcare has overpaid a company, you're kind of looking at the reporting, trying to find those, and then of course a document will be sent out to them trying to collect the overpayment. So you're creating those refund requests in the system. Just evaluating all the payments and denials, making sure that claims were processed and paid to providers correctly. Only requires a high school diploma or GED, and you do have to be at least 18 years or older. Now, they want somebody who has 2 years of some kind of medical insurance collection billing experience. Other than that, you need to know how to work your way around a computer, use different software systems, especially using those Microsoft Office systems like Outlook for email. And again, you must live in a location that can receive that high-speed internet that is approved through United, because they do provide you with internet. But their pay is anywhere from $16.88 an hour, goes up to $33.22 an hour. Of course, that's going to be depending on things like your location and experience. Now, next up, we have the company Ancient Nutrition. They only have 53 reviews from past and current employees, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They have a high rating, though, a 4.5 out of 5 star employee satisfaction. They are looking for a digital engagement representative. And so this is what it sounds like. It's a customer service representative for their digital non-phone channels. This is a full-time, and they are looking for somebody to work 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, of course, if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to see if your hours convert and work for you. But of course, this is a food and nutrition company. They're looking for somebody to provide customer support through email, social media channels, and that website live chat. You're providing online customer order support. So anybody trying to order through this nutrition website, different food or nutrition products, they're having ordering issues or they need updates on shipping, tracking information for their order. You are going to handle all things orders and billing for them. You're also going to help educate and inspire them about different health products or health and wellness to help them with purchasing decisions. So you're basically reviewing, logging, and reporting any ordering issues up to management. Of course, you're documenting these customer interactions into the system and responding to all reviews and Q&As on their website. So this is completely written and non-phone. No college degree is needed for this one. They just want somebody who can be constantly challenged. You're curious. You want to learn new things. They do want somebody who has experience with email, live chat, social media, kind of online communication tools. Somebody who works well on a team and individually. You have strong written communication skills. Now, pay is kind of buried in the application itself. It says this job's wage is $20 an hour. Now, if you're looking to do some kind of a data entry in the healthcare field, we have a Biograph hiring. Now, Biograph's Glassdoor page does not show any actual reviews, so they don't have an employee satisfaction rating. However, I did a little bit of digging because I wanted to make sure it was a legit healthcare medical company. And I found two different Reddit posts. This one was 2 years ago by this eucalyptus person. And they were asking the question, has anybody been to Biograph, the medical center? I guess it was founded by Dr. Tia or co-founded. I'm not familiar with that doctor, but a lot of people chimed in and said they have been to the medical center, and it looks like as a patient at the medical center, they had great, experiences. And so here's another one that was just a year ago. So a year later, the Strength Few asked again if anybody had been to the Biograph Medical, and somebody said they had a full day. They were very impressed. So I don't know what kind of a medical center this is, but people seem to be seeing like PCPs, doctors and stuff there. So it is a legit medical center, and they are looking for a healthcare data entry specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, it does say if you're close to the San Francisco Bay Area or New York, they have office locations there that you can use. Otherwise, it is remote work from home. For a data entry job, it pays very well. It pays anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $70,000 a year. Now, $70,000 a year would be about $33 an hour. And they're just looking for somebody to enter their patient information, specifically patient test results and other medical information from the patients that they're seeing into their customized reports and database. So you're making sure that all the data is put into the system in accordance with all company formatting compliance standards. Then you're like cross-checking, double-checking to make sure the data is accurate and complete before you actually hit that submit button. So you will collaborate internally with people that you work with, the doctors, the healthcare providers, to clarify any discrepancies, keeping confidentiality of all this patient information. So you're assisting basically with the data verification and quality control of patients' test results. So no phones. They are looking for somebody who has 1 year of data entry or insurance billing or similar role, acquiring really good attention to detail, somebody who knows medical terminology. While they do prefer a bachelor degree, it's not required. Only a high school diploma is required. You do have to know how to kind of work with electronic medical records and like Google G Suite, data entry platforms, be able to type, be familiar with lab results. Clinical documentation is kind of preferred. They kind of want somebody to know the information, how to read the information they're entering into the system. But again, it pays quite well for a data entry job. Next up, we have Northern Tool hiring. I'm not sure if Northern Tool, where they're located, if they're kind of nationwide throughout the United States. There's a Northern Tool retail store near where I live. They have 540 reviews, an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to do online customer experience. So those online systems responding to email and SMS, website chat, things like that. No phones, customer service. Now with this one, they are only hiring in certain states. There's a list of them right here. They are hiring in quite a few. But again, they're looking for somebody to work that website, live chat, SMS, email, and social media or other affiliated websites, delivering that outstanding customer service by responding and answering to any customer questions regarding products, services, billing, processing orders. Now, it does say you're going to have a high volume of these customer emails and SMS and stuff to deal with. One thing to note about this is while it's mostly non-phone, and that's the main part of the job, if the customers aren't understanding your written word and it's just not coming through, you may have to pick up the phone occasionally and make an outbound phone call to the customers to offer additional assistance. So make sure you're kind of good with words. But that's it for this one. You're basically just answering those product and ordering questions. While they prefer at least 1 year of college, and high school degree is the only thing that's actually required, and 1 year of either sales, call center, or some kind of related experience. They want somebody who has strong organizational skills, can be a multitasker, can have strong writing skills, specifically great grammar, great spelling. And they're looking for somebody who can kind of work a varied schedule. Kind of like you would in a normal retail setting where you might be scheduled for different shifts throughout the week. Pay for this one is anywhere from $18 an hour up to $29.50 an hour. And I've shared this one in months past or years past on this channel, but Cranial Technologies is hiring someone again to process images. Cranial Technologies has 208 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a remote image processing specialist. Now, one thing to note, Cranial Technologies is what it sounds like. It is a neurological or cranial healthcare company. And so they do kind of x-rays and scans, different medical scans for babies' cranials or heads. And they are looking for somebody to process digital 3D images, somebody who can work with 3D imaging software, generating reports for 3D images, including photos and measurements. So you're going to have to register before and after 3D images to kind of create comparisons and analysis reports, assisting the Digital Technologies Department in reviewing and auditing those 3D images, running different 3D imaging software systems. So you are just working with 3D imaging. It is a fully remote position for anyone living in the United States. Only high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has strong visual perception skills, somebody who has an analytical mindset, has great attention to detail. You have great time management skills and great computer skills. Pay is only $18 an hour, but they are giving you a $1,000 sign-on bonus. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.